Very welcome, ladies.
Thank you. Paddleboarding, kayaking, sauna and swim, aqua park. Well, the events that we do is like, I like the moonlight swims. I think they're class. So I do really enjoy them.
The dip in the nip was an interesting one as well.
We'll not go there.
Long
I don't
time
work
ago
that one.
we did that one.
Yeah.
Have you tried the shakshuka?
It's good options.
Yeah. Catherine, you got this one?
SHAK.
I think Jarlath falling out of the guard tower was one of my favourites.
Oh, yeah.
I'd do it
Being the
every day.
boss.
Being the boss?
Yeah.
Who?
Me.
You get a wee chat with all the customers, like, you know.
You get to know them.
And they get to know you. Like, it's actually nice wee.
Yeah.
It's a nice wee
I
environment.
think we need it. It's not really, it's until things go wrong.
I know.
Yeah.
You know, and we're very fortunate that it's not often, touch wood,
Touch wood.
not often that things do go wrong, but when they do, you know, the staff react.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you
That's
need
it.
that. You know,
Yeah.
you need the guys on the ball and they're picking up. They know exactly where to go, what to do. So we're going to start into a few quick fire questions here.
From
We will
time.
try and keep them quick. Hopefully there'll be no issues. So, sum up Splash, 3 words.
Okay.
Hello everybody and welcome to Splash Chats. Today we are welcoming Aimee McCare and Catherine Mulholland, two of the finest staff that I could gather up at short notice. Very welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
First of all, can you tell us a little bit about yourselves? We'll start with Aimee over here.
Oh, thanks. I'm a pretty warm person, but I completed my first High Rocks competition in Dublin. It's very good. Loved it. Can't wait to sign up for my next one. Currently working here at Splash and Over the Jungle. Catherine?
Yeah, I'm fairly boring too, to be honest. Just taking a year out from university, so I'm 21 and graduated in biomedical sciences, so I'm here a bit more this year, doing it part-time, sort of 3 days a week, and loving it. Got roped in a few years ago and never got out.
You're going to stay here as well. You don't need them out degrees. So we're going to start into a few quick fire questions here. We will try and keep them quick. Hopefully there'll be no issues here. So we'll start with Aimee and then we'll move around to Catherine each time. Aimee, paddleboard or kayak?
Paddleboard.
Catherine?
Kayak.
Really? Why?
You can chill out more.
Controversial. Okay. Hot or cold water?
Hot water.
Hot water.
To drink or swimming?
Oh, no.
Both.
Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Prefer the early shifts? Yeah.
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 Yeah, same as.
100%.
Same for you.
Yeah.
You couldn't drag me out of bed in the morning. Wetsuit or swimming costumes?
Swimming costume.
And Catherine?
Swimming costume, yeah.
And swimming costume or bikini?
Swimming costume.
Yeah, same.
Same thing. Yeah. What is your favourite food from Top Deck, Aimee?
Porridge.
Porridge?
The granola bowl, maybe?
Notable.
Yeah.
Have you tried the shakshuka?
It's good options.
Yeah. Could you
No.
spell shakshuka for us there, Ames?
Go on ahead, Catherine.
Catherine, you got this one?
SHAKOUKA.
I think we've missed a couple of letters. That's fine. That's fine.
At least there's no N.
No ends in it, no. Favourite activity at Splash, Aimee?
The paddleboarding or sauna sessions.
Sauna session?
Yeah,
You love a
love
cold
them.
dip in between?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
What
ice
about for
bath.
you?
Yeah, sauna session and cold water.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well done. We got through them. Wasn't too painstaking.
No.
So we're going to try and get to know a little bit about both of you. Bit about your history at Splash and a bit about your own personal history as well. So we know that lifeguards need to be strong swimmers. Catherine, who do you think the strongest swimmer at Splash is?
Be careful with your answer, Catherine.
Yeah. Aside from me,
Aside from you,
Obviously.
I would say Moss. He's a
Moss?
beach lifeguard.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's a strong swimmer.
He's a good
a
swimmer.
couple of swimmers
Yeah.
might have an argument. Like Charlie
Yeah.
Morris, Andrew Lipscomb.
Andrew as well.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
he's flying.
Yeah,
They're all
I think Moss is just thrown.
But we just
Do you
need to do
reckon?
Yeah.
swimming competition.
Yeah.
But in saying that, you know, if I
Put
was
the three of them
in
out.
bother out there, I'd be looking Moss coming towards
Yeah,
you.
that's what I
Yeah.
mean. Yeah.
I think it's just because he looks the most like sort of, if you were to draw a lifeguard.
He would do the whole Baywatch thing, like.
Oh, the shirt off and
100%.
everything. Seen him down
Yeah,
there
he's
doing
a strong
press ups
swimmer.
earlier on.
I know.
Yeah.
What is that not like?
Exactly. So, Aimee, tell us about a typical day in Splash. What's it like? We'll go with a summer's day, whenever the
Summer's
aquapark
day.
and
Yeah.
everything's out.
Well, when it's busy, it is busy. We do always be on the go. Wetsuit washing. It's a great crack. We love it. Good. Washing wetsuits.
Fighting to get at it.
Yeah, fighting to get out. Then good rotations in the aqua park as well. Like every half an hour, isn't it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then just always constantly busy when the sun's out, making sure everybody is hydrated,
Yeah.
which some people don't
Come in the
stay.
morning, you've 10 people booked on. By the end of the day, you've 1,000 in.
Yeah, pretty much. It's great. We love it.
That's good. Catherine, what inspired you to apply for a job, to become a lifeguard at Splash?
It was a couple of years ago actually. The first summer I missed the application process. Shock.
Probably wouldn't have made the cut. That was a
yeah.
good idea, you know.
So I came in at the end of summer and started like November time ish. Around Halloween. And probably the cousins, everyone was here. Kate and Dan, then Connell started. There was just a really
was
good
like the full
group of us,
fam.
Aimee Rose and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
full
so there was
family.
like a load of us here that I knew, all the friends and family.
Families,
Yeah.
which was
Siblings
great
and all.
until somebody
Brilliant.
had a wedding or a
I
birthday
know,
or something.
and then the
You'd
whole show was
nobody
gone.
here at all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
0 lifeguards.
That was the COVID year as well. We like at one stage we'd maybe 14 staff
I
off.
know. For one,
with
and we used to go
COVID.
on
Oh,
family
yeah.
holidays as well.
Oh, the family holiday.
Nothing clear.
I was
had
not
a
like
bit
at
of
the
shock
end
for
of
that.
August, we just knew like they're not going
Yeah.
to be here.
That's
Yeah.
why we don't pay the staff anymore. They can't afford the holiday. far better job. Good business move there.
Yeah.
Yeah, great
Uh,
one.
Give us your favourite or funniest memory while working at Splash, James.
I would say the sports day. It was some crack.
That was
Like
good.
it was good crack. I had like Sam, Jarlath, Hannah, and Liam in my team. And I was trying to get the wetsuits on Liam. Like he had about 20 wetsuits on him. He actually couldn't breathe, and Jarlath just kept going. We need to put more on him. We need to win. we're all a bit competitive.
Yeah,
For those
definitely.
those who don't know, the sports day was not a typical sports day. It was
No.
very much Splash specific, and we were putting wetsuits on, we were putting buoyancy aids on to people, and allocating points out for completely random things. You know,
Yeah,
if you look good doing it, you get an extra 10 points.
it was good crack. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah. What about you, Catherine?
Maybe the first time the Spaniards seen the snow properly.
Yeah.
Oh,
That
yeah.
was funny. Now
That was so nice. So
They were going around videoing the whole thing, sending it to family.
I don't think they'd ever seen snow.
No,
No.
they were out dancing in it, and I was trying to keep warm.
that literally was like them the other day though. They're the exact
know.
same. They
They're
get so
hilarious.
happy about it. So did I. So happy.
I think Jarlath falling out of the guard tower was one of my favourites.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I wasn't there.
I just was there.
Yeah.
And I wasn't. Nobody
Yeah.
near him at all.
Oh,
Just
Nobody.
completely head over
At the
heels.
very start, like when we opened, Jarlath never came off that aqua park dry. Like, you just couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Like
So
I
there
was
were a few
like,
this
what do you
year
not
as
like?
well.
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
in fairness, look now he
Couple of ones this
yeah,
year.
he's intentionally coming off that wet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what he
It's
wants
hard
to
enough
do.
to stay on at times.
I know. It's pure
Yeah.
shaky.
It's a fairly unique environment. You know, I can't think of any other jobs like it, to be honest. You know, it's a
No.
unique setting, Springfed Lake. You obviously have a background in outdoor activities. James, tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, well, I used to work over in the jungle, still do. When I was 16, started at Fright Night, and then done Christmas Wonderland. Then after that, then went and actually worked in the jungle, like doing activities and stuff. My favourite was laser tag. It was just the ultimate amazing, like unreal. So on it basically every day, every weekend. Laser tag queen used to be called. And then a couple of years went by, and well, we obviously decided to open this place, and Michael wanted me to come over, and the rest is history. I'm still here.
Been here ever since.
I know. Love outdoor stuff.
Catherine, did you any other jobs? Do you have any other jobs?
No, as I say, I just graduated there in May, June time. So I'm taking a year out before I go back to university next year. So I'm here pretty much full time this year.
You told me that was a 10-year gap before you would.
10
No,
years
unfortunately
for
not.
anything else.
Might actually cut it a bit short.
Oh no.
I forged the signature onto a couple of documents there, so you'll be here 10 years, whether you want to or not.
Interesting.
We think what makes Splash sort of a bit more unique is this vibe about the
Yeah,
place. You know,
100%.
it is, well,
Yeah.
in my opinion, it's a proper wee family.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
What do you think makes it different, a different place to work? You know, aside from the whole aquapark thing, an aquapark in Ireland.
Probably the staff. Like staff's good crack.
Yeah.
Like we all get along really well.
Yeah.
We all know when we need to work, and we all
Yeah.
know when we can chill a wee bit as well.
Yeah.
And I feel like we can deal with pressure as well. Like especially in the summertime, there was quite a few days we were like cutting it tight even with staff, and we were like pulling through.
Yeah.
That's what I
Everybody helps
think.
each other out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like
It's a really nice balance.
yeah,
between
100%.
work hard, play hard. And like,
Yeah,
the setup's amazing. Like if you've been, like the change rooms, the facilities, like the money that's been pumped into it is actually amazing.
And the building's unreal.
Yeah, and especially coming out of the water and it being fresh water and not salt. Like I think a lot of people love that too. Like the water is so clean.
100%. You don't even feel like you need a shower after you go into the water. Like
Well.
you just are fine. Well, hopefully most of the time.
Some don't.
Oh, it's nice. It is. There is just something about it. Even the winter months, you know, when it's not all go, and you've maybe only 5 or 6 swimmers in, but
Absolutely.
it's still that sort of relaxed vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody sort of comes through them gates and leaves a different person nearly.
I know.
And you get a wee chat with all the customers, like, you know.
You get to know them. In a
Yeah,
good
and they
base,
get to know you. Like it's actually nice wee,
Yeah.
it's a nice wee
I
environment.
think we need a big shout out to Winnie as well. Like,
I
Yes,
know,
Winnie.
she really deserves.
Yeah, she does. Like,
she makes really good 15s as well.
Unreal.
try them latest ones.
They're
Yeah.
so good.
So
The white chocolate
good.
ones, white chocolate and
So good.
shortbread.
100%. Especially all the events we do here as well, like even at winter
Well,
time.
hang on, we haven't got that question yet.
Oh,
You're
well,
gonna ruin-
sorry.
You're going to ruin the flow here.
Okay, here we go. Go to the next question.
So, what's your favourite event that happens at Splash?
Well, the events that we do is like I like the moonlight swims. I think they're class, so I do really like enjoy them. But love all the yoga events that be held here as well. They're so nice and relaxing, and you just come out like a completely different person. That's what I think. Well, what do you think, Catherine?
The Mexican one was good crack. Do you remember when we did Mexican? We had the Mexican food and all after.
That was really
the
good.
tapas. Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah,
That was good.
Yeah.
Raft race is still my favourite.
Oh my-
I love it.
It's good crack too.
It's so
yeah.
funny. It's a
Everyone
great
takes
charity
it
event.
so competitively.
Oh yeah.
yeah.
There's,
It's a
there's
full-
guys away building rafts for next year, you know. Putting them into
That would
wind
be
tunnels
no
and
joke.
everything.
Huh?
It's no joke.
No, but it is. It's serious and it's tough work.
Yeah.
But you need to be on it early. You know, we would love. We're going to start promoting here now as well.
There we go.
We would love to have like 20 rafts in it. That's the
Yeah.
dream.
Yeah.
What do we
Get a
have?
few. We've had. I think the busiest year we had was 6 rafts.
6,
Yeah.
This year we had 4. This first year Splash entered it. I think Jarlath's got.
Hi, Jarlath.
Has he?
Designing new rafts. Yeah.
God, that'll be a lot.
He's in it to win it this time. Like,
Yeah.
Well, I think after the last time, you know, you need to be.
yeah.
The
Bit of a
two guys sitting
disappointment.
on the back kicking their legs with flippers on just didn't have the
No.
same momentum he thought.
I didn't.
A good workout though.
Yeah, that's true.
The dip in the nip was an interesting one as well.
We'll not go there.
Long
don't
time
work
ago
that one.
we did that one.
Yeah, we'll not go
I
there.
don't work that.
It was a unique one. wasn't
Yes,
Yeah.
it was a little bit
Yeah.
different.
What do you think is something that the people around here they don't realise about being a lifeguard or working at Splash? You know, they probably think it's all fun and games, which of course it is, but
Yeah.
is there any
Yeah.
bits you
There's
think
a
they
lot
don't
of
see?
training goes into it too. Like
Yeah, a lot of time
See when Michael's
training.
like everybody's staying after work, like you don't even get the notice. You just get
Yeah.
everybody staying after work, and you're all in the
Then,
water.
like, when you, because you're like, oh, I don't want to stay here. But
Yeah,
then when you do
it's a
listen, you're like,
standard.
okay, I actually
Yeah.
do need to be here.
and
to
you
know.
realise how much you need it when you're doing it and
Yeah.
stuff, even
You
just
do.
to like refresh the CPR and all that there.
Yeah.
Like, you definitely do need the constant training, but oh my god, you see when you say everybody's staying after work,
Right, folks, water 10 minutes.
heartbreak.
Yeah,
If you're not in
heartbreak.
the water in 10 minutes.
But
what
you do
do
get your
with
eyes
Literally.
open though.
No, I know.
Like,
you
that's
just
what I
double
think.
up in wetsuits.
Yeah.
Get
that?
in.
It's not really, it's until things go wrong.
I know.
Yeah.
You know, and we're very fortunate that it's not often, touch wood,
Touch wood.
not often that things do go wrong, but when they do, you know, the staff react.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you
That's
need
it.
that. You know,
Yeah.
you need the guys on the ball and they're picking up. They know exactly where to go, what to do,
100%.
and straight on to it. You know, that's the
Yeah.
key thing. As long as you're trained to deal with it as best we can,
Yeah.
there's no more
Yeah,
we can do.
and nobody
at that stage.
freezes.
Yeah.
Because we're all here to carry each other at the end of the day.
Yeah.
That's
That's a good
a
team.
wee family, very collegial.
Yes.
Would you know the definition of collegiality?
Like the proper definition, or
Yeah.
like
Proper definition. Oh,
Come on now. It's
Not
been
like
written
the
on
word
that board
perfect.
all
I know,
season.
but like, no harm. I don't look at the board.
Look, we're going to have to end it there. So, sum up Splash. 3 words each, and we'll go with Aimee first, and Catherine can't use any
That's
of your 3
great.
words.
Okay. Amazing, unique, probably special as well. Special place.
Cold.
I was
Yeah.
going to say freezing.
Freezing.
This time of
Freezing.
year.
Family and different.
Yeah.
It's just different from anywhere else that I've ever worked.
And still no mention of collegiality. Purr.
Your favourite word?
It sums us up. You know.
Take out freezing.
No.
just realised this question here. I was well saying I didn't write the questions for it. So I've been sort of grilling you both for the past half hour. Your turn. What's your best Michael story?
What's our best story about you?
Apparently so, yep.
You'd have a
Ones
better
that are
one than me.
appropriate, like,
I've never done anything inappropriate in my life.
oh
You'd
really?
have better ones. You'd have better ones than me.
Me? You know what? Now I've been asked this question, I forget every single memory I have.
No.
It's probably, you know.
The
it's
only wearing yellow shoes is weird. Like only wearing yellow or orange shoes.
I don't only wear, it just so happens I don't have many pairs
Yeah.
of shoes.
Yellow
Yeah.
Crocs, yellow Sambas, the
They
new
were-
yellow Sambas,
He
the
loves
old
yellow.
yellow Sambas.
It's like,
yeah.
They're specials.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Some people can pull off yellow and most people can't. So
Yeah.
if you've got it,
If you can do
flaunt
it, do it. Yeah.
Yeah, fabulous. So some trivia questions about Splash's history then.
I got nothing.
God.
We'll give you one of these each. Who wants to go first this time then?
Catherine.
Catherine's going first.
Lovely.
It's a nice easy one. What was Splash built upon? What was it before?
A quarry.
What sort of quarry?
Oh, I don't know. One with an airplane at the bottom. Actually, we sunk the airplane, didn't we?
No, the
Yeah.
airplane crash landed with Mr. Wibb in it.
Of course.
Oh, right, yes.
Yes, but
Of
there is an
course.
airplane. And
What is the type of quarry?
basalt.
Um,
We've been over this. It's in your handbook,
Is
Catherine.
it?
It is, yeah.
Oh,
Page
no.
6.
Forgot to
No,
say that.
Well, it's probably in the back of a wardrobe somewhere.
What road is Splash located on, Ames?
Macadone Road?
Macadone Road. And what's that road down and to the left?
I don't know.
Gordy Gilly.
Oh, there we
Well
go.
done.
That's one I go on.
Save. Save.
Same. I don't go on that one.
You save me in the next one.
Yeah.
What year did Splash officially open?
Officially.
Officially open, yep.
It was either 20 or 21.
21.
I feel like we had
No.
events before 21, did we?
No, hold on, because it was 2020 not when we started.
I think it was 20. I don't know.
21.
Was it
21, yeah.
21, yeah, 24 was our fourth season. We opened in 21.
So it's 21.
22nd
Yeah.
of May.
Did we not do an event before that? No, maybe it was just.
We had a, so that was during COVID and they closed down the lock. So we had a lot of the swimmers, the blue tits
Yeah.
would have come down
Yeah.
and used the facilities at the
That was
weekends.
maybe it.
But it essentially
I think
was
it was
just,
only
it was
just
a lake and
swimming, yeah.
nothing else. That was it. So yeah, people did come in, but that was still 21.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who answered that one?
Me.
Who was meant to answer
Me?
that one? Catherine.
Well, we both
Give
sort of
Aimee the next
answered,
one,
yeah.
Catherine, Aimee, this one. is for
Oh,
you.
great.
5 activities available at Splash.
Paddleboarding, kayaking, sauna and swim, aqua park. How many have I named? Does anybody know?
When you combine sauna and swim, so we're
Yeah.
going to need another one.
Right, okay. The mega board.
Very good.
Mega board.
Mega board.
Mega board.
And last one for Catherine then. What temperature is the water right now?
I haven't been here since Thursday. On Thursday, it was 8.4, so I'm going to say 8.2.
It's actually up a wee bit. It's 8.6.
Has it went up?
Nice warm
I
rain.
was going to say 8.7.
No way.
Yeah, nice
Oh,
warm
right
rain.
enough.
It's not too bad.
Yeah. So we'll try and sum it up here. What is your favourite thing about coming to Splash, aside from hanging out with me? What is your favourite thing coming through the door? every
Being the
day?
boss.
Being the boss?
Yeah.
Who?
Me.
The chats with Fran.
Yeah.
Yeah.
with
Me and
Fran.
He's just
yeah.
always so happy.
Yeah.
One of
So
my
happy.
favourite people in the world.
Same. 100%. He could actually make anybody smile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
contagious.
He's so funny.
He's the best.
It's probably just the chats with staff as well. Like some of them are really funny.
Yeah.
There's nothing better than coming
Oh,
through.
and the
when he's-
cookies.
Cookies are good.
Cookies are
I was
brilliant.
about to say or the, what do you call it, 15s that when he drops
Yeah,
in.
no, they're good
yeah.
too, but the cookies are lovely.
Yeah.
Cookies are good.
With a bit of salt on top of them.
Beautiful.
them?
Huh?
Mary?
Mary?
Mary.
Mary Payne, yeah.
Yeah.
Drops them off. Fresh, still warm
It's
sometimes.
very so warm. Fran loves them.
Fran
Yes, he does.
Fran loves them far
Right,
too
yeah,
much.
too much.
Breakfast,
He
lunch,
does.
and dinner.
Yeah.
Lovely. Well, thank you very much, ladies.
Pleasure.
Thank
Hope you
you.
enjoyed yourselves. It wasn't as
Very
bad as you
much
thought, was it,
no,
Catherine?
not at all.
Is the hangover nearly gone? Just
What
about.
hangover?
Yeah.
Catherine
That's a bit
wasn't
of
working today, by the way. She's
Oh.
She was at a wedding.
She wasn't saving no lives.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much, ladies.
Pleasure.
Thank
You can
you.
hold
Thank
on to the
you.
mugs as well.
Thanks.
Keep them.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Just kidding. Wash them. Put them back.
Yeah. We'll keep them.
Thank you very much, everybody, for listening. We hope you enjoyed our Splash Chats, and we hopefully see you again for the next episode. Is that it?